Hello! Gabi na guys. Kakarating lang namin galing work. Naiwan ko tong tubig ko kanina. Ilagay ko sa, gilid ng TV. Naiwan ko siya. Pupunta kami sa Ballarat bukas. So, nag-annual leave ako para bukas para mahaba yung weekend ko. So, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm not working kasi off ko Saturday, Sunday. My gosh, yung remote namin hindi nag-work. Why? Why is this not working? There you go. Alam niyo ba, bumili ako ng chocolates. Naliligo si Dan eh. Bumili ako ng chocolates para kay Dan. Yung ginawa ko kanina is wala na talaga akong time guys kasi bukas na maaga yung alis namin. 6:30 susunduin kami ng mama at saka papa niya. So kasama namin yung mama niya at saka stepdad niya sa trip namin bukas. So it's going to be a weekend away. We'll watch footy doon sa Ballarat, yung malapit lang sa Melbourne. So it's going to be a 7-hour drive and wala na talaga akong time para bumili ng gift. And yung gift na nabili ko para sa kanya, yung hindi ko pa napakita but you guys will see, yung jumper at saka yung shorts na galing na Port Power is alam na niya na meron akong something Port Power na ibibigay sa kanya. Now, I got him chocolates from Higgs. So, yung ginawa ko is I left 30 minutes early kasi mag-close sila 6 and then yung end ng shift ko was 6:10. So, I left early and nagpunta ako doon and nagsinungaling ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, meron kaming seminar malapit sa Rundle Mall. Like, merong isang hotel doon na malapit sa Rundle Mall. Sabi ko, meron kaming seminar dito. So, dito mo na lang ako sunduin. Sindo niya ako. Hindi niya napansin. So, I got him white chocolates kasi yun yung favorite na chocolate niya. And mahirap siya hanapin. Like, doon sa Higgs, most of the chocolates na they have, dark chocolate, tsaka milk chocolate lang. Bakit ako naglalaway? Yeah, so I got him those. I will show you guys later. I will give it to him tonight para madala namin bukas to munch on while traveling. And we went to Woolies as well para bumili ng snacks at saka drinks para bukas. Because again, it's gonna be a long trip. So we'll see what we have here. Nagpunta kami ng Woolies. Ang ganda ng nila. Beetroot. Sa kabila, watermelon. I like it. Very nice looking, very colorful. So I got aloe. I'm really into aloe lately. So dadalhin namin yan bukas. And then I got snappies as well, my favorite. Masarap to guys. Ano siya? Chili yung flavor niya. Hindi naman siya ganun ka spicy talaga. So okay lang siya. Naglalaway ako, nakakaloka. So I got 2 kasi naubusan na sila nung original. Yun, masarap din yun. Sobrang sarap din nung original. And then got the Nice biscuit kasi nandun na kami, naubusan na ako. And then we got popcorn kasi nakita namin siya $1 each lang. So sabi ni Dan, just pick 1 or 2. So I got 2. And then he picked this one up because this was also on sale. Macaroni cheese na ready to cook. You will just have to add milk on that one then. And then he got this one as well. I think he will eat this tonight for his dinner. Ano nga ulit to? Crumpets. So, merong 6 na crumpets dyan. And then he got, honey. For this, I think. And then pistachios. Because you guys know I love my pistachios. And I like eating this when traveling. Especially if it's a long drive. So, that's that. And, yeah. So, that's it there. I'm vlogging, boy. Hindi ako nag-vlog kanina umaga kasi wala namang ganap. I did not put any makeup on. I just have lip tint from Tony Moly. Yung parang parang mukhang nail polish. Yun. Nakalimutan ko yung shade. I will show you guys later. I will organize everything tonight. I'll pack. I'll pack my makeup as well. And then they will pick us up at 6:30, right? Mm-hmm. So I will wake up at 6, take a shower, and then yeah, go. Okay. Do you want me to put this in the fridge? Are you gonna bring that bag tomorrow?
Mom might bring something.
Okay. She's gonna bring snacks as well, right? Oops.
Yeah.
Snacks. Yeah. Okay. Magluluto lang kami ng dinner. So what are we going to cook? Just eggs and bacon?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so like separate eggs and then separate bacon?
Yeah.
I asked you if it's scrambled. You said yes.
I don't want scrambled. You can have scrambled though.
No, I'll have that. I want that. Babe.
Oh, thank you, babe.
Advance happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me.
Open it.
I'm cooking. Here, kiss.
What are you cooking? Open this one.
Well, it's in this way.
Come on.
Rocky Road.
What?
Oh. Thank you, babe.
What is it?
Strawberry.
White chocolate. That's good. Is it
Yeah,
good?
yeah, it's good, babe. Thank you. Thank you, babe.
I got one more. Yay!
Thank you, babe. Little bit. Go salmon.
Yes.
Oh. Yo. Thank you, babe. Very nice. Oh, wait, take him with me. I'll leave him here. Oh, maybe take. Oh!
She wrapped it for me as well.
It's like a little box.
Yeah. Careful. Aw, that's fancy.
It's cute.
Oh, white chocolate for you.
I can't see. Thank you. Little bit.
You like it?
I do. Thank you.
What is that one you tried? This one is a fancy one. So she wrapped it for me. She wrapped it like that. And then that. Okay, so I'll be packing my makeup para bukas. So I'm gonna bring my primer, yung Sephora primer. Malapit na siya maubos, guys. Malapit na talaga ako dun. Gusto ko siya ubusin eh. And then yung mga brushes ko, like wala pang laman yung mga brushes ko dito. Yung mga brush holder ko. Kasi, I washed it. So, nandun pa siya sa banyo. Sila lahat. Ooh, nakapatong kayo sa lamp. So, yun. What foundation am I gonna bring? I'm gonna bring this one. The, paano ba ito i-pronounce? 10, yung from Lancome. I'm gonna bring my Too Faced Born This Way and then my Double Lasting para maubos sila. Ito, I'm not sure kung maubos siya kasi madami siya eh. And konti lang yung ginagamit ko sa kanya kasi pang mix lang sa dark na foundation. I will be bringing my Daiso na pang eyebrows. And then eyebrow coat will be the... Asan na yung eyebrow coat ko? Benefit eyebrow coat. Where are you now? Asan na yun? Hello! Parang tapos na ako mag-pack. I'm not sure. Meron pang mga jacket doon na hindi pa namin na-pack yan. And look at that. Binitay namin yung leggings ko at saka yung jeans ni Dan dito para mag-dry siya. Kasi we did the laundry last night. Tapos kanina din we did the laundry. So, hindi pa siya dry. Ano pa siya? Basa-basa pa siya. And gusto namin siya gamitin bukas. So, nandun sila. And napack ko na yung toiletries ko. Merong mga snacks dito na dadalhin namin bukas. Hindi pa lahat yan. And meron ako yung gift ko kay Dan. Siguro ibibigay ko na lang sa kanya ngayon para mapack niya. Kaya lang hindi ko pa to na wrap. So, hindi ko na lang siguro siya i-wrap. Ibibigay ko na lang siguro sa kanya ngayon, no? Para madala niya. Kasi ano to eh. or something. I'm just gonna give him that. You know what? I'm gonna wrap it real quick. And then, ibibigay ko sa kanya para ma-open niya. And, yeah. Kasi nandun siya sa carton, nanonood siya ng TV show na gusto niya. So, i-wrap ko lang siya sandali para may ma-open siyang gift. Ayoko naman ng plastic bag lang. So, okay. Wrap natin sandali. Tapos, ibigay natin kay Dan. Okay, guys. So, meron akong dalawa dito. Isang maliit. And then, isang medyo malaki. So, ibigay natin siya kay Dan. Mabilis ang pag-pack lang talaga. Yung ano pala talaga, dinosaur na ano. Gusto ko sana, butin lang nahanap po itong dinosaur kasi yung natira dun, ano na lang, yung pink na polka dots at saka ito, nasa ilalim siya. So, bigyan natin kay Danny Boy. You gotta open your gift now. You need to open it now. You look so excited. You ready?
I'm ready. Thanks, babe.
Small one or a big one? Take a look.
What power? What's it, babe? Jumper?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I thought you will use it.
I will use that. I'll bring that.
Yeah, bring that.
Give a kiss. Thanks, babe.
Yeah.
Looks good. I like it.
Do you like it?
You can't go wrong with full power stuff, man.
I know.
I like it.
Small one. What do you think it is?
Right size.
It is.
Medium. Thanks, babe.
It's medium. I got you new
You got
shorts.
price tag still on them.
Yeah, expensive. You're an expensive one.
You pay that much for them?
So, it's fine. That one is expensive as well. It's fine. Don't check the tags.
We're gonna take them off then. Thanks, babe.
No. You want to try it and see if it fits you?
That'll fit. That'll fit. What size is this? Large?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Good morning, guys. Tsaka ko. Naghihintay lang kami hinihintay lang namin si mama at saka yung papa na Dan. And ready na kami. So, ito yung bag na dadalhin ko. Dadalhin ko sana yung backpack ko, kaya lang ayoko nang dalawahin yung bag. And then, yeah. And then the coffee is ready. Hinihintay na lang namin sila. Do you have your own coffee as well? Babe?
Have what?
Do you have your own coffee?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Yeah, that looks great.
Whoever painted that, got some talent.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get
So
out.
there's one on each, like, kind of like cylinder, thingy. Where are we going, babe? Coffee! Coffee, coffee, coffee. Where are we, babe?
I don't know.
Yeah, we don't know where we are. The mural. I took a picture of it. I got my latte. Or latte. It's a large one, so we need to share. I did this with, I think it was Ava.
Yeah.
With my ring.
Maddie? Or Ava?
No, Ava and Maddie. I think Maddie.
Yeah, me, Maddie.
And it's like, oh. Where are we? What We're here at KFC. Where are we, babe? What suburb? Horsham? Dito kami upo. We are here. Maganda yung room, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo galing sa labas. So, ito yung labas niya. And as in, labas talaga siya. Outdoor talaga siya. Like that. See? And then, so dito. Pagpasok natin, you will see this. Meron siyang bench dyan. And then you will see the whole room. So, merong mahabang desk dito. Chair. We have a mini bar in here. There. Ito, actually, galing siya dun sa dun. Kaya lang nilagay namin dyan kasi, ano siya, parang connecting room. So, nandun yung parents nila. And then, dito is the bathroom. Wait, let me guys show you. Okay. So, meron tayong sink, mirror, hello. And, I like na meron siyang mirror dito as well. Full-length mirror. So, this is my OOTD. I'm wearing this cardigan I got from Rose Gal. T-shirt from Gear Best. Leggings from, Kmart. And then shoes from Muy Bien Bonita. Shower. There. Maganda yung shower nila. And then towels, of course. We have conditioner and shampoo, which is perfect kasi hindi ako nagdala ng conditioner at saka shampoo. And then what is this one? Para dito. It looks really fancy. Akala ko parang lalagyan ng sabon. And then toilet. Meron siyang ganyang pa-design dyan. And then cushion. And then balik. So meron silang dalawang beds. Isang maliit. And then isang medyo malaki. And then they have that there. There. Cool. And nakapark, as in, ano lang talaga. And nakapark dyan yung sasakyan ng mama niya. So, maganda siya kasi meron talaga siyang labas. And meron siyang blinds here. No, not blinds. Curtain. And then yan. And then couch. Nice. Not bad at all. Walang laman yung minibar. Wala yun, diba? Tubig. Milk. Yun lang. Lalagay ko dyan yung namin. Tubig at saka aloe vera. Ito yung baon namin kanina. Pupunta kami ng Target. Yung mama niya. Kumatok. Punta tayo na Target. Punta kami na Target. I took a picture dun sa mirror kasi ang ganda ng salamin. And, yeah. I was gonna post the picture, but kumatok yung mama niya dito. I don't know. Hello.
One in your bed.
No, that was a good one actually with the raindrops. Yeah, we're looking for Target. Where's Target? No. That's a nice picture, babe. What are you trying? That one?
No.
A whole pack?
Yeah.
I got this one. Sabi ng mama niya, ito daw, masarap daw to. Cruiser. Sugar-free as well. Oh no, this one is not sugar-free. Is it sugar-free, babe?
No, you don't want sugar free. You're skinny enough as it is.
Your mom got sugar-free.
Yeah,
Meron siyang dalawa. Dalawang ganito yung sa kanya. Walong baro. Muscaro, babe? Or should I just stick with this one?
Stick with that.
Okay.
Addicted want me to rate?
Have you tried this?
Yeah, go for it.
It's good.
Have you already had some?
Yeah, I had one.
I'll take the top one. You get the bottom one, babe. That bottom one.
Okay.
Or you want the top one?
No, the bottom is fine. Yeah, I want the top one.
You like one for part?
Yeah, I did. Thank you. What did you get?
I'll have St. Pie.
Lamb?
Yeah.
Lamb pie.
Wow.
That looks really
That's
good.
nice, isn't it?
Yeah. It's massive.
Hey?
For football, I did.
Yum. Kain.
There's no one to watch footy.
Balik na kami sa hotel, guys. Babalik kami sa... Actually, nagpunta kami sa Lakeview Hotel and Pub. I had a few drinks, so I think I'm drunk. But Dan is like, no, you're not drunk. Pero pupunta kami sa kabilang pub, yung malapit lang dito, para panoorin yung footy because we watch half of the footy there and then balik kami dito para malapit lang sa hotel. Nagtaxi lang kami kasi nga alam namin na we will drink char. We all drink. So, yeah. Yeah, babalik lang kami. The dinner was really good. I had pork rib eye. It was really good. And then Dan had lamb. So, yeah. Punta na kami dun. This is what I'm wearing. I'm gonna show you. Wait. Ihi ako ng ihi kanina pa. I had 2 Moscatos na. 2 glasses ng Moscato. And then, lemon dress. Yun lang. This is what I'm wearing. So, I'm wearing my jacket because it's really, really cold. And then, this is from Spray, Target, and then shoes from H&M. Yun lang. We're home. We're home. I got 1 more glass of Moscato. So. Okay. I'm gonna remove my makeup and then I will try and edit. I'm not sure if I can finish it. I'll do my best. Hala, babe, I need to charge my lappy then, babe. Sige na. I'll just remove my makeup. And then close this vlog as well. You can come in. They can't see you. You can come in. He will take a shower. There you go. They can't see you, babe. I just talk to them for a little bit. And then go to sleep. Oh no, edit. Hello. So I got the vodka thingy. And then 3 glasses of Moscato. So yeah. You know what? Wait. No, I'm not talking to you. Fun fact. Hello, babe, the lighting here is really good. I'll turn that on. It's gonna be way better. Oh my gosh. We need something like this in the house. This one? That's amazing, that one. Guys, alam niyo ba? First time ko na lasing na, as in lasing talaga, was ngayon, 25 na ako. Kasama ko. No, I'm 26. I'm not 25. I keep saying I'm 25. I'm 26. Ngayon, nakasama ko na si Dan. I think it was, I don't even remember kung kailan yun. Basta, kasama ko si Dan nun. And naglasing ako sa bahay. Sa bahay lang, kami lang dalawa. And nagising ako, hindi ko alam, nandun na ako sa bed. Kasi last time na naalala ko, nandun na ako sa lounge. Sa couch. Kasi sabi na Dan, you're annoying. Tapos nagtampo daw ako. Pumunta ako sa lounge. Doon ako nakatulog. Yun yung last na naalala ko. Tapos, pagising ko, nandun na ako sa couch. Tapos, paiba pa yung position ko kasi, like, dapat nandito yung ulo ko. Nandito yung ulo ko sa paahan ni Dan. Nagising ako bigla. Tapos yun. Yun yung first time na lasing talaga ako na wala talaga akong naalala. I mean, may naalala nga ako, pero last time na yung naalala ko, yung nasa lounge ako, tapos sabi ni Dan, nagising daw ako, tapos binuhat niya ako papunta sa kwarto, yun, di ko na yun naalala. Yun lang. Lasing ako. Ngayon, marami din ako nainom. Hindi naman marami. Para sa iba, wala lang siguro yun, pero para sa akin, marami na siya. 3 glass ng Moscato, tapos 1 bottle ng vodka, raspberry something. Dami na nun sa akin na. Pero yun. Manonood kami ng football bukas. Hindi ko kayo makita, you're blurry. Manood ako ng football bukas. Kami. Tapos yun lang. And then we will go somewhere. Are we gonna go somewhere before the footy? Or what are the plans?
Yeah, we will.
What though? Just breakfast? Oh, we will sleep in there.
Yeah.
Kasi, what time is it? It's late. We gotta sleep in. So, ito yung mga dinala ko, guys. Yan. I'm not even gonna tell you guys what everything. Hindi ko masasabi sa inyo kung ano yung lahat ng yun. Kasi, you know what? I'm gonna close this vlog. Kasi pili ko nahihilo ako. Sana hindi ako masuka. Hindi naman ako nasusuka. Well, 1 beses pa lang naman ako nalasing. So, tapos hindi ako nasuka noon. So, hindi naman ako nasusuka. I'll just close the vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be good. Good night. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Wow.